I know right now that some of you are tired of your boring 9 to 5 job and are dreaming of making a six-figure income while lounging on your couch. Well, I have some good news for you. With remote work on the rise, the possibilities for finding flexible, high-paying side hustles are endless. And who wouldn't want to earn big bucks while wearing their sweatpants and sipping on coffee? Go ahead and hit the like button if that's who you want to become. Alright, jokes apart. You see, according to this article by CNBC Make It, a recent survey conducted in December 2022 by LendingTree Survey showed that 44% of Americans are currently dabbling in a side hustle, with the trend shifting towards remote jobs in fields like computer programming, IT, marketing, and business consulting. And guess what? You don't need to be a genius to take advantage of these opportunities. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 high-paid, most in-demand side hustles that can be done from the comfort of your own home and pay you about $100,000 or more. By the way guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd like it if you can give me a thumbs up, as it would help the YouTube algorithm share my video to more people just like yourselves. Now, let's dive a little deeper into each of these in-demand side hustles and how you can get started. First up on our list is website development. If you're familiar with WordPress, PHP, MySQL, and HTML, you can earn an average of $63,586 to about $141,123 per year building and designing websites. You see, with the rise of e-commerce and online businesses, the demand for skilled website developers has skyrocketed. So if you have a knack for creating stunning and functional websites just like this, then this will be a perfect side hustle for you. Number 2, mobile app development. In a world where almost everyone has a smartphone, it's no surprise that mobile app development has become an in-demand skill. If you're proficient in iOS, Android app development, and UI design, you can earn an average of $56,483 to $145,200 per year. So, whether it's creating an app for a new startup or updating an existing app, mobile app development offers endless opportunities for talented developers.
So is screaming chicken, what am I meant to do here? Did I just experience?
Number 3, game development. Moving on to game development. If you have an expertise in game design, Unity 3D, and animation, you can earn an average of $56,493 to $258,501 per year. With the popularity of video games on the rise, the demand for skilled game developers has increased significantly. So, if you're passionate about gaming and have a talent for game design and development, this could be a perfect side hustle for you.
What, that you play video games and I fall asleep unfulfilled? Go ahead, it beats the sneaking around shit.
Next up is design. If you're skilled in UX design, website design, and Photoshop, you can earn an average of $75,789 to $263,571 per year. With the increasing importance of user experience and design in the digital world, the demand for skilled designers has grown tremendously. So if you have an eye for detail and a talent for creating stunning designs, this can be a perfect side hustle for you. Last but not least, number 5, coding. If you have experience in Java, HTML, CSS, PHP, and backend development, you can earn an average of $101,250 to $219,108 per year. You see guys, coding is one of the most in-demand skills in the tech industry, and with demand for skilled developers only increasing with time. So if you have a passion for coding and a talent for creating innovative software solutions, this can be a perfect side hustle for you. Now that we've covered the top 5 in-demand side hustles, you might be wondering, how can I get started? As I mentioned earlier, building your expertise through online courses, coding bootcamps, and programming podcasts is a great place to start. So by honing your skills and building a portfolio of work samples, you can showcase your talents to prospective clients. Additionally, creating a profile on Upwork, Freelancer.com, Fiverr, TaskRabbit, or any other website advertising freelance jobs can help you find clients and you can start earning money. These platforms connect freelancers with businesses and individuals who need their services, making it easier than ever to start your own side hustle. I'd also add that it's important that you actually create a website of your own and direct potential customers or individuals from social media all the way to your website. And that's not all. You can actually create newsletters and share those newsletters in social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook groups, Instagram, or any of the social media websites out there. TikTok is one of those great places where you can actually showcase your skills. If you want to see a video on how to actually direct customers from TikTok to your website and make money while doing so, I encourage you to watch this video I made about it. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, what if tech isn't my thing? Don't worry, there's still plenty of side hustles that offer part-time reward opportunities, including tutoring, blog writing, and business consulting. These jobs have also seen growing demand on freelancer.com, and some of these gigs can pay you up to $100 per hour. There you have it, guys. With the rise of remote working and the increasing demand for skilled freelancers, there's never been a better time to start your own side hustle. Whether you have a talent for tech, design, or writing, there are endless opportunities to earn a six-figure income from the comfort of your own home. So don't let anything hold you back from reaching your full earning potential. Start the side hustle today and make your dreams a reality. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance education videos. Also, make sure to click the notification bell icon so you can receive an alert each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember to always stay money smart. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.